Excuse me, ma'am, I saw you walking. I turned around, I'm not a stalker. Where you going? Maybe I can help you. My tank is full, I'd be obliged to take you. Cause I'm a country boy, I got a four-wheel drive. Climb in my bed, I'll take you for a ride. Up city streets, down country.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode in the Scramble Car series. Dawson,
Robert, Jason.
Jason, how's your arms doing?
My arms are doing pretty good right now, honestly.
Yep, this is the first time Jason's been in a video since his crash, and it was a pretty legendary crash.
Rad, boys.
Hey, we are taking the Scramble Car out for our first race, and we are gonna send this track today. What do you think, Dad?
We're gonna win.
We're gonna win. No way, Tara. Yep, this is Tara driving the Joe Exotic truck.
The big boys today.
You guys might recognize this truck. It's the S10 with the old Jurassic Park paint job, but they changed it. You can see the Jurassic Park.
Can't read the light.
Oh yeah, and the Liger. It's a pretty sweet rig. You guys are definitely the guys to beat. They have a four-wheel drive Hemi. DJ is gonna show us under the hood. There we go, a Hemi. Heck yeah.
Thank you to City Towing, Cody Sherwood over there hooked us up with, with the winning Jeep.
He hooked us up too.
It's not a winning Jeep yet.
Yeah, it's not a winning Jeep after I slash your tires.
To the race. That's all we can.
It's time to reveal to you the Crown Vic that we painted last night. You might have seen on my Snapchat stories, but here it is. Paint job number 7. Got our Trump flag. She's ready to go. There she is. American flag on the hood. Race ready. We got all of our bumper painted and everything like that. It's ready to go. Scramble Car crew. We're gonna see who takes home the win.
You ready?
Yeah!
What's up?
You sure look good sitting in my right seat. I'll take you through the 5 speeds. Wind it up, I can slow it way down. In the woods, we're right uptown. I'm a country boy, got a four-wheel drive. Climb in my bed, I'll take you for a ride. Up city streets, down country roads. Yeah, I can get you where you need to go. 'Cause I'm a country boy. Big 35s, whining on the asphalt, grabbing mud, slinging up some red dirt. 'Cause I'm a country boy.
Let's go, dog! Come on! Come on, let's go! We got this! Woo! I think we're broke!
Oh no.
What did we break? Oh, we don't got no tire.
Getting all hooked up. I mean, we broke something. We don't know what, but something's broke and we can't drive. How does it feel being in the air? Yeah, this is weird. Woo! We're doing a wheelie. Heck yeah. Dude, yeah, there's just a couple things that could be broke. So Dawson, what happened? I think we sent it a little too hard.
Look too great.
I think
Dawson, look at this.
All right, Dad, do you think I went too hard on this race?
No, you did good. It just had a bad ball joint. It has been an accident before that nobody told us about when we got it.
Yeah,
So
it wasn't even on the Carfax.
it wasn't on the Carfax. So really, we didn't know. And then coming into this race, the bad ball joint, it cost us a little bit. We'll be back next time.
Next time.
What was I thinking?
You got it, Steve. That Jeep Cherokee is getting her done. Oh, he spins him out. Come on, Steve. There's Tara right there. Let's go, Steve. Let's go, Tara. All right, there's. Oh, dude, S10's overheating. That's not good. That's how you know she was running hard. I was never able to overheat this thing. Just blew a tire. Here it comes with Dude! I think so.
That was great.
That was awesome.
Because that front tire went so flat he couldn't control
Yeah,
it.
he could not control that.
Was
Joe Weber in first place, and I'm not sure her name, but there's a girl driving the second racer. That thing's smoking. Blew up the motor on that thing. Yeah, Steve! Go, Steve. He's in the front. Yeah, Steve! Let's go, Steve, ram him! Yeah, oh, spin him out! Spin him! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my. Yeah! Looks like you guys got a couple smoked lines. Hey, good job, Steve.
You guys want to? He said hello. I might have bounced up. You guys want
This thing is a beast. Oh my gosh. His intake's gone. This thing's messed up. The Jeep is actually still running. Thanks, Steve. First place.
up, buddy? It was fun.
Good job, dude.
A little tired now, though.
Yeah? Well, you think you got enough spares?
Yeah, there's 5 more at the house.
Heck yeah, dude. So this looks like it's the only vehicle that survived the abuse today.
Guys, so it's Bree, Brenna, and Taylor, and right now we're putting the broken Trump mobile onto the trailer.
End of the Scramble Car series for now. If we film anything with it from now on, it'll be rebuild videos. So thank you guys for watching. This is Des Boys Garage. Out. It did not actually break the ball joint. It just came out of the hole.